Inverter.
Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of our project is Outsource Similarity Search on Metric Data Assist. In the domain data mining, let's see the brief explanation of our project. This paper presents a similarity search query of metric data in outsourced to service provider. Our methodology provides outsourced data with data owner, trusted query user and untrusted server. The data owner requests to transmit data to the server. It sets the original object which trusts only the user, not even to the server. It sets the original object and set the key for transfer and upload the file to the server, and thus the data stored in a relational database. In our existing method, several methods for securing database has been studied, that is private information retrieval technique and digital watermarking technique. In a private information retrieval technique, it hesitates user, that is the user searched a particular data item but the data has not been queried. In a digital watermarking technique, the data owner identifies the data. It cannot prevent attacker from the data set. It does not provide any privacy or security. In our proposed model, we proposed the shift search functionality to the server. We present a technique of metric preserving transformation and flexible distance based hashing. Both the technique provides privacy, but in metric preserving transformation techniques, exact result was found with two-way communication, but in flexible distance provides single round communication, that is in the single communication itself we can find the exact data but does not provide any exact result. Metric preserving transformation function and flexible distance transformation hashing provides the exact data. The advantage we faced in our proposed is privacy and security was one thing. Let's see the architecture diagram of our project. This is our architectural diagram. We have the structure, that is data owner, trusted client, and as an untrusted server and a trusted client. First, the data have an original object. The original that is a particular object that we are going to access will have by an data owner, and the particular key who is going to encrypted key will be have by the data owner. That key will be given to the trusted client, and the initial upload data, first we are going to upload a data to one server, and it will be incremented and update and each time. In a server we have transformed object, that is we are going to transform the object to one trusted client. So we have that object, and the file is going to encrypted and saved in a database, and we are going to report the result to one trusted client. The client will have the query and the key. The client get the key from a data owner, and the key will be viewed by a trusted client. This is about our architectural diagram. Let's see the demo of our project. This is our outsource similarity search on metric data access. We are going to enter. This is our outsource matrix data set convert for data level identification form. First we have a data set conversion. Let's see what will be happen. First we are going to browse our data set. We have a data set here called, and we are going to extract the data set, and if we view the data set, we found that the duration, protocol, service, flag, source byte, destination byte, and data sets that already had. And when we click on matrix data view, this is our indexing searching for metric data identification form, and when we check on the load metric data, we found number of data as 3. This is we had the data set file. No, in there we have used TCP protocol, UDP protocol, and ICMP protocol. Now we are going to select the metric data, that is ICMP, TCP, and UDP were provided. Select any one of the data, select any one of the protocols. Here I have selected TCP UDP protocol, and when I click on the view button, I can see the duration and the protocol used. That is, we found that UDP and the service in the data set will be viewed here. And when I click on the similarities, I can see here indexing NN search, that is nearest search. Here I can have here several table were provided. I choose any one of the particular table name and the attacker type, that is normal or defeat. Is choose any one, and the land, that is 0 or 1, and the prototype, that is we have three to protocol. Choose any one of the protocol, and in click on if no data were found, we couldn't found any records, and if these record were found, data set with data records. And when I click on the query analysis, first we have to connect our database, different databases in our server. Select any one. This is all the databases name. Select any one of the database name. I have selected the portal and I can connect, and I connected with the database, and here we have query process and database. And when I click on the database and select any one of the table, that is login, I have selected there a login database no. So here I have found the table field, that is username and password were found. When I click, if when I click on the username, if suppose if I need to select any other data, I can select any other database name also. Suppose I am choosing that as a routing, and I am connecting the database. And here in that particular database I have used this much of table. I select any one of the table name and select any one of the table field. Here I found this node alone, and if I can select some other table names, here username expert, choose any other. When I click on the query, here the select query process will be displayed, and select some other table name. And when I give an execute button, here uh, the result will be found here. And I came to back to process, and here I have frequential accuracy, that is a privacy database query selected level identification. And when I back to process, here the sequential accuracy, this is a privacy database query selection level identification form. When I select any one of the table from a particular database, and I'm checking the query analyzed, and here the found is accuracy level is found result. And when I click on the viewpoint, the particular the query analysis is found, and each level we are finding. And when I come back to the process, here is a data identity, that is accuracy calculate. We found service analysis, that is this is a performance analysis distance based hashing. Found the SID serial number, that is corrected testing, and each that is for positive false rate and the negative false rate, and the analysis report was found. Here in the analysis input, when I click on the corrected test, we found the graph for that for a particular time period and series, that is this is for series 1, this is for testing misuses and the anomalies and so on. So we have found that this is a misuse detection. When we found the misuse detection, we found the result with this, and this is an anomalous detection. Next we have an ASA value. The ASA value, we found this 1375251775566. And back to the process. Next is a query accuracy, that is here we have several values, that is position first user. I select any one of the value, that is I have selected, and the user data, here I found the tree view, that is so for each and every distance the data set, the values have been calculated with the tree view process. Thank you.